Umengameli omusha we-MKMVA uthi uKhongolose udicilele phansi imisebenzi yabo yeminyaka futhi manje sebefuna izindlela zokuthi bezimele.
As MKMVA, our previous stance of alignment to a political party has only served to betray the very cause of uplifting the social well-being of our members and their families. It has been used as a tool to divide and conquer us, to pity us against each other.
Lolu phingo luthi akusadingeki ukuthi umuntu abe ilungu le-ANC uma ngabe enesifiso sokuba ilungu lomakadebona.
The amended constitution will no longer prescribe membership of the ANC as a requirement for joining the MKMVA. The association will prioritize the welfare, dignity, legacy, and socio-economic interests of military veterans and their families as its core mandate.
Bekungokwesithupha omakadebona be-MKMVA besingatha ingqungquthela yabo.